Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in last week's episode I quit the show, but I couldn't find another job, so now I'm back, and we're making spring rolls with peanut sauce. First I'm going to make some rice noodles. Simply bring a pot of water to a boil, drop the noodles in. Like an idiot, use your fingers to push them into the boiling water. Ow. Okay, yeah, that's a lot less stupid. And now I'll just turn the heat off and let these stand for about 10 minutes. Then dump them into a colander and just let them chill while we move on to the next step. Here I have a firm block of tofu that I'm cutting into thin rectangles like so. Now I'm going to toss them into a well-greased cast iron skillet and sear them on both sides over medium heat. Oops, almost forgot the liquid aminos. Oh yeah. After I've cooked all the tofu, I cut the rectangles into thin strips and then set them aside on a plate. In the same pan I cooked the tofu and I'm lightly frying a few cloves of chopped garlic. I'm doing this over very low heat because garlic burns easily, so you have to be really careful when you're doing this. Now to make the peanut sauce, I'm going to add some peanut oil to a small saucepan. Then mash up a clove of garlic into it. That's burning. Oh, alright, forget mashing it, I'm just gonna chop it up and throw it in there. It's fine, just pretend like you didn't see this. Now I'll add a big tablespoon of peanut butter, a teaspoon of chili powder, half cup of water, give it a good stir, a couple splashes of liquid aminos, give it another good stir. Now I'm going to bring this to a boil and let that cook for a few minutes until it thickens up. Now I'm ready to begin assembling the rolls. I start out by dunking a piece of rice paper into room temperature water, lay it out on the cutting board, add a few strips of tofu, add a big clump of rice noodles, a few strips of red cabbage, a couple carrot sticks, a big piece of green leaf lettuce, some fried garlic, a few slices of avocado, and now I'm just going to roll it up like a burrito, which is actually a lot harder than it looks. This stuff is really sticky and kind of tough to work with. But yeah, that'll do. Alright, now it's time for my favorite part of the show, the taste testing. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be good. Oh yeah. Now y'all know I like to get my spice on, so I chopped up some super hot chilies. Gonna put just a couple of these in the sauce, and that's kind of a lot. It'll be okay. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, eeny, meeny, miny, you. Alright, here we go. Gotta get a lot of sauce on there. Sauce is my favorite part. Try to get one of these chilies on here and get that heat. Oh, 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 that's hot. Hey everyone, it's me. Thank you so much for watching that video. Please smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And I hate to bring this up again, but I still need help moving that furniture. Nobody came last week, and I also missed my flight, non-refundable tickets, so that really stung. Uh, yeah, things aren't going that great right now. Um, Also, if anybody's got any job leads, that could maybe be something. You know what? I'm saying too much. I should just go. Okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. All right, I'm gonna go now. Okay.